wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This was a very beautiful topic. May Allah Ta'ala bring tranquility and love in our families. And if all this fails, I have a very beautiful, I have some things, couple of things are written on it. And anytime you start fighting with your husband and wife, take one, put under your teeth and bite it strongly. And it will work. It helped many families. And you will not fight. In 1 week, people came to me and they say, oh, wow, that thing's very good. MashaAllah, it worked all the time. Okay, about the masjid construction. That is going as planned. MashaAllah, all the people who are contributing, thank you very much. We still need more funds. And we have some addresses on the TV monitor. If you want to pay direct or you want to go to masjid website, you can pay both ways, or we have boxes in the back. And everybody was following election. We have 2 Muslim women, they won. One in Queens, she is a councilwoman, and one was a judge. MashaAllah, takbir, Allahu Akbar. And this is a start. The one who won, there was both Bangladeshi descent. Soma Sayyid was a judge, and Shahana Hanif, she was a consulate woman. The guy who comes here most of the time, Sammy Gonzalez, he won. And Jorge Guadron, he won. They both won, with a very good lead. And they called me to thank the whole community, and they will come in person to thank all of you guys. And they appreciate the help you guys did. And you saw Tim Cini over here, you saw Ray Trainee also over here, both for the DA. Ray Trainee won by 153,000, and Tim Cini got 114,000. And Republican swept all the legislature branch of Nassau and Suffolk County. Now, Republicans are everywhere. They will be the one who making legislation. And we as a Muslim community, we should take part in the local election. Now it's more and more we need to be part of this campaign. I hope whatever was going on a few years ago will not come back, all the hate and all that stuff. But we have to take part in it. Inshallah, next election, I want somebody from our masjid, from MDQ community, to run for the election. And inshallah, please prepare yourself, tell your friends, and be part of the community. There are a lot of things going on. It's not just a Muslim vote. A lot of other Spanish community, black, white, whatever, they have the same problem like we have. Let's meet them. We should be part of them, and they can help us. We can help them. And in the same way, this way we can help the Muslim community of our masjid, MDQ. Thank you very much. Thank you, inshallah.